Hi students, in this video we will discuss keyword as arguments. That is, while calling the function we will pass along with the keywords in the function call. So now let us see one simple example. Here I will define a function void display. Now let us take argument 1 comma argument 2. So they can be argument 1 and argument 2. Then just I am displaying the data. Print argument 1 equal to arg1, then print argument 2 equal to argument 2. Now generally we call the function in this way, like display 10 comma 20. Tell me what happens here when we call this function. The first argument will be copied to argument 1. The second value will be passed to argument 2. Now if you run this program, the output will be argument 1 equal to 10 and argument 2 equal to 20. This way we can display. Now here we can assign, while calling the function, we can assign in this form. So argument 1 equal to 11 comma argument 2 equal to 22. You can assign in this way. Now in the function call itself, we can clearly know that this 11 is assigned to argument 1 and 22 is assigned to argument 2. Now if you run this program, it displays argument 1 equal to 11, argument 2 equal to 22. Now if you assign with the help of the keyword, so you can assign these values in any order, whereas in the previous case we need to assign in the same order. Argument 2 equal to 100, argument 1 equal to 200. Now we can assign in any order. So argument 2, what happens here? 100 will be assigned. Argument 1, 200 will be assigned. Now when you display, first time it displays 1020, second time same 1122, third time it will be 200 and 100. That is, argument 1 is 200 and argument 2 equal to 100. Even you can assign with display of, then you can remove this previous part, display, then argument 1 equal to Sachin, comma argument 2 equal to Sony. You can assign in this way. With the names you can assign, or you can assign argument 2 equal to Sachin or argument 1 equal to Sony. Now this 1 will be assigned to argument 1, 2 will be assigned to argument 2. Now run your program, displays Sony and Sachin. The advantage here is it will be very clear to the user if you are using keyword as arguments. Okay, one more advantage, we can pass in any order. If there is a keyword, it will be assigned exactly to that keyword. So these values can be passed in any order. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in next video.